Okay, hello everybody. Today is June 12th, and this is the second trade, actually the third. There was a small trade of a tick profit where I pretty much scratched the trade for one tick. So this is the third trade of June 12th. You can see the date in the title bar. So again, living in Hawaii, I only trade the second part of the day, and I only trade when I have the time to trade. I'm often supporting clients with my automated software and running my business. So I don't trade every single day. I trade when I have time and if it looks like there's something worth trading. You can see here, looking at this chart, that our indicators alone by themselves give some very excellent signals. As I've stated before, it is difficult to hold a trade until the bars finish turning blue or finish turning red, because the market goes up and down and you watch your profit appear and disappear, and it becomes very difficult. But one of the hallmarks of the BWT classic setup is that we want to see we want to see blue bars, we want to see our oscillators turning up, and I want to see higher highs and higher lows, and I want to see some other things maybe indicating that the market is going to go up, such as if you learn how to read volume profile and market profile a little bit, you can spot some opportunities where people have been selling at the lows of the days, and then often you can get a short covering rally. In any case, this trade just began, and we're long one contract. I show one contract to show that a trader with a small account can trade our indicators and follow the rules and begin to make some money with small targets and not a lot of risk. Most of the risk on these trades I take is 4 to 6 ticks. Many times I just use a mental stop, because sometimes the market dips down and will tag your stop and you get stopped out. Anyway, let's go ahead and watch this trade develop and see how this goes. Sometimes I look at the time and sales to get some indication as to if they're buying or selling the bid or the ask. Sometimes that information can be useful, but in discretionary trading and scalping like this, you got to be careful not to look at too much information. And it also depends on your skill level. I think the most valid thing to look at is price action, the formation of the bars. It's time tested, higher highs, higher lows. What we have here is a 1, 2, 3 pattern. We have the low made where the bars turn blue to red shortly after 1400, and then we have a high at 1420 or so, and then a pullback, and then we have blue bars again, but a higher low. That's a 1, 2, 3 pattern, or an ABC pattern, and that's a very reliable pattern. I'm actually a little late on this trade setup, so sometimes my timing isn't perfect, but the reason I went in was rising higher lows and that 1, 2, 3 pattern, and my oscillators turning to the upside. And I'm on the other side of the moving averages. I'm on the top side of the moving averages. This is a live trade. It's trading at the speed of the market. Therefore, things may appear like they're moving very slowly, but this is how the market moves. This is real trading with real money. This is not a market replay. So here I'm kind of on the watch that, I definitely want to get filled. I've been in the trade a little bit here, but I think I'm going to get filled at my 1 point target. and there we got filled. Okay, so here's a summary of the trades. I had 4 trades, 3 winners and 1 loser. One trade was a profit of a tick, and another trade was a loss of 2 ticks. So all in total, 4 trades, 75% profitable, 137.50 for the day. That's pretty good. If you were upscaling your contract to multiple contracts, it could be much, much more than that. Okay, that's it for this video. If you want to do some mentoring and find out about learning how to trade this, then please contact me at systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching.